Good morning, guys. So today we are going to develop an interesting project under subject Cloud Infrastructure and Architecture (CIA). So hi guys, this is Shivprasad Reddy Sherry from EC third year. So we are going to develop an interesting project, and the title of the project is designing an architecture to deploy a registration form using DYNAMODB. So here we have to go for this project. We have to go for the AWS free tier, and here let's start with going for DynamoDB. In this DynamoDB, go for tables and create table over there, and then enter a table name. I am entering student, and there you have to give a student ID. Next, click on create. It will take 1 or 2 seconds to create the table, and okay, let's wait until the table is created. Yes, you can see the table student over there. Yeah, it's still creating. This table is where at last output of our project will be seen. The data regarding name and all that things are going to seen here. So it is created, and now we can go to the search menu, and then we can go for IAM there. Click on IAM, that is in the identity and access management. So here we have to go for roles, and we have to create role. So click on create role, choose AWS service, and there you have to choose Lambda as service or use, and click on next, and there in the permission policies select DynamoDB full access. You will get it, and just click box it, and also we have to go for another policy, that is Lambda executable, that thing, just random execution role policy. Just click on that, and after checking the two boxes carefully, just go for next. Click on next, and here you have to give a role name, that is student, and the two selected policies are shown here. And then after confirming, just click create role, and there you can get to see that student has created role or the following list. Our role is successfully created. And next we can go for Lambda function. Just go for Lambda function, and here we have to create new function. So click on create new function, and there just add a new name function. Just keep it author from scratch, and add student. And after that, remove Node.js and go for Python 3.8. And after that, you have to change little changes in change default execution role, use an existing role. From that, select student and create function. After that, a function overview will be displayed there. In there you will get to see our main heart of the project code. So here no code is there except for lambda.function. So we have to upload a zip file. Go to upload in the top right thing, and click on zip file and upload. And in that we have to upload a zip file which consists of 3 templates. So once we have selected and save, here we get to see zip file. So let's wait until the zip file is opened here. So now we can get 3 files over here. We can see that so lambda function.py. so click on that. So here you can see the code, and we also have another file, that is index.html2 and also style.css. These gives the static properties for the web application, because we are going to generate a registration form which needs like name, ID, all the things. Okay, so deploy here, control, okay, you can just control plus shift plus U, and after deployment successful shown, you have to go for search menu again, and there you have to type API gateway. Click on that API gateway. Then we have to create API. Click on that and go for HTTP API build option. Then give an API name. So I am giving generally as student because I have used students previously too. So while checking the integration, we can't find it because we still not added it. So go for next option, and there you have to go for create. So here we have to create routes and stages too, and also add integration in this particular step. So after creating successfully API student thing, go for routes and create, and go for post method POST and create. Then it is created successfully, you can see that. So after going to click on post, you will get route details, and in the top left integrations. So we have to add an integrations which we have created, that is lambda function. Previously we have created the function for this particular step, and after adding, just to choose a name clearly, that is student, so it is last. Okay, in that, after that just go for attaching an integration in routes, and we have to deploy there. Click on deploy, and after that stage, we have not yet created stage. So now we have to going to create the new stage. So here, where is that thing? Okay, manage integrations, go for here, and here authorization, we have to checklist all the things which we added again, so that no issue is going happen in further process. Okay, after deploying, create new stage, because we are not created, just give you a stage name as whatever you want. Okay, I'm giving develop as my stage name, and enable the stage deployment option there, and just create it. After that, there is a invoke URL, you can see that. Just copy it and go for lambda function, and in the function, in the go to student, and here we have to select an index code for pasting our invoke URL, because some other URL is provided previously, we have to change it, otherwise it won't work properly. So just checking, yeah, it is found in the 11th line. Just copy, replace it actually, just replace it with our code, and after that don't forget to deploy again. It saves changes, this helps to save changes, and after that successfully deployment shown, just go for S3 bucket. There you have to go for buckets option, and hit there create bucket. This allows to create new bucket. So give a bucket name, student bucket, and giving student bucket. Okay, after, without changing anything, just unbox that block all public access, and also acknowledge checkbox and enable it, and just create bucket. But here it is showing error. Okay, we have to choose a name which is not existing. Let's try 1 2 3 and create bucket. Still not works. Okay, then I'm choosing 1 2. Okay, now create bucket. Yeah, successfully bucket is created. You can see it, student bucket 1 2. Just click on it and go for upload. We have not uploaded any objects, so upload add files, and for the front end, I'm going with the index, upload it, and up properties, go for properties and upload. Okay, it will take 1 or 2 seconds. Uploaded successfully. Then yeah, index.html is uploaded. Then we have to go close it, and after that upload again. And here we are going to upload the other file, add files. So in that style, click it and open and just upload it. Yeah, just upload it. Yes, after that close, successful uploaded. Yeah, you can see that index.html and that, click on that. Okay, once check all the things which are proper or not. And here object URL is there, top right, just copy it and go for permissions. Before that, okay, buckets, source bucket, yeah, student bucket 1 to just now created, click on that. Okay, and that go for properties. In that edit option, static website hosting, we have to enable it, and here just give an index.html file which we uploaded, the file name, and save changes. After that, go for permissions main tab, and there block all public access, edit, and in that policy just copy this code which is showing on the screen now. Just copy it and go for it and paste there. In that my projects, just add the student whichever the bucket name created, so add that student bucket 112 over there, otherwise it will show error. Okay, now which does not show any error, so save changes. So this allows to get permissions to the bucket which we have created, student 1 2, and after these 3 things, yeah, we are done with the bucketing. And go to API gateway. Gateway will be opened here. Now just go for the student which we have created, and there deploy, select the post and deploy, and here stage. Okay, yeah, go for deploy stages and develop which we have created previously. There you will find that invoke URL is very useful URL. Just copy it and after that you have to go for S3 once again. Yeah, there select our bucket and go for properties. There you'll see the bucket website endpoint. Copy it and just paste in new tab. Just paste it in new tab and see what magic happens here once you paste it. Yeah, this is our feedback form. This is what we have developed till now. So enter ABCD as full name, student ID, just give whatever you want, and we can select course and also like what course quality, teaching quality. So these are the primary details which we are going to fill it. And once we click on submit feedback, this form will get a thank you message displayed. This is that. And once you get it, just go back to the DynamoDB where you can see all the details. Just now we filled in the form. Go for DynamoDB and go click on the table which is created. Where is it? Student. Yeah, click on student and then go for explore table. Yeah, exactly what we have filled: physics 5, Mahak, Lakshmi, etc. All these details came here. So this is how we are going to deploy register form using DynamoDB successfully. Our project is completed successfully, and I hope so you understand our project. Thank you once again.